Hello, day 189. Excuse me. Perjeta's revenge was managed today. Ate lunch. Thinking about if I'm going to eat dinner. Excuse me. I have a bit of the sniffles. My throat hurts. I think that my hair is growing. What do you guys think? Scheduled my port to be removed next Monday. It'll be right after my infusion. And then the next thing was something else. Oh, and I called the radiation oncologist to let them know that my port was coming out on Monday, waiting to hear back about when we're going to schedule everything. That's all the news. Tomorrow is going to be a better day. Be well.